Let's start with the first tab, Emails. This is where you create your email and insert your videos. We like to think of these as virtual documents that once created and saved can be used over and over again. Let me show you how. In this example, I want to send a thank you video email to a customer that just purchased my product. I'll start by clicking on New Email. In the new email title, I just give it a Save As name. Down below, a From name, and over here, the email that I want to send the email from. And finally, the subject line. I like to include the word video in my subject line because it will produce a greater open rate for you. Down here is the email video editor. I just use the buttons across the top and over to the side here to edit my email. It's a lot like working with a Word document. I simply highlight the text I want to replace and I replace it. Pretty simple. Now, I can do the same thing with the text down here. If there are placeholder text, in areas that you don't want to include anything, you simply highlight over it and delete it. Now I want to insert my video into my email. I start by selecting or clicking on the video placeholder. Notice it's now highlighted. And then I simply click on the Add Video button. On this screen, you'll notice I have three options. I can click Insert from YouTube. I can record a new video in the iMobile video email system directly, or I can choose an existing video. In this example, I'm going to choose an existing video and select this video here. And I click on Insert my video. For this email, I want to know when my recipients opened the email. I also want to know when they played the video. So, I'll go down here and I'll check on these two check boxes. This will enable me to get real-time alerts that will be sent to my email address, the one I included for this email. Finally, I click Save Email, and my email is saved. Now, by clicking on the Emails button again, it will take me to the list of all emails and videos that we have created in the iMobile Video email account. From the screen, I can go back in and edit the email. I can click on View the email to see what it will actually look like to the end user. I can also click on Copy the email to make a copy. I can click on Send to send it directly. And I can click on Track to track the analytics. Over here is a link to the landing page where the video actually resides. And here are my social sharing features. Now I'm ready to send this email to my new customer. So I select Send. If you want to send them to a list, you just simply select what list you want to send from the drop-down menu. But for this example, let's just say I want to send this to one customer. So I'll put his email address in right here. You have two options. You can send it out immediately, or you can schedule to be sent at a later time. Finally, I click the Send button, and my email is sent. So now I just received a real-time alert that told me that the recipient Just open the email and watch the video. I can verify that by clicking on the Track button. Click on the email you want analytics on, and I can see that the video was delivered and opened, and the actual video was viewed. At its most basic form, this is how easy it is to create, send, and view your results from your iMobile video email system.